Hi, Mariana here. Today we'll practice a hypnosis. This hypnosis will help you release pain, anger, or any discomfort from a person or incident where you have been hurted. I want you to find a very comfortable and silent place where you can focus on your inner self. When you are ready, close your eye and take a deep breath, and as you exhale, just allow yourself to feel relaxed, comfortable, and calm. And take another deep breath and slowly exhale. Allow yourself to feel comfortable and relaxed. As you inhale, you feel deeper and deeper, very relaxed. Further and further, you feel very relaxed and calm. Focus on my voice. Ignore any other sounds from outside the room or inside the room. Now focus your attention on your feet. Using the power of your mind, relax any tension if it's there. See the relaxation if there is any color. Feel if it's warm. Allow it to spread slowly. Now through your feet, anchor and feel comfortable. So relax your knees and your thighs, your back and your neck, your eyelids, your face and your lips. You feel very relaxed, your shoulders, your arms and your fingers. And you feel deeper and deeper, comfortable and relaxed. And now try to remember all the people who hurt you, or just thinking about them give you a state of agitation, hurt, pain, anger. Try to remember all these people. Try to do a mental list of all these people which create pain in your life. Take your time and go back in time and find all these people. Whenever you are ready, choose a person alone in your inner peace. Only one person, the person you want to forgive. Visualize the person you want to forgive as if it's in front of you. And tell the person loud, trying to say the name of the person. I can forgive you with all my soul. Say the name of the person. Please forgive me. Say the name of the person. Say the name of the person. I forgive you and I bless you. Thank you for the lesson which I learned next to you, and say the name of the person. I love you, and say the name of the person. I can forgive myself with all my heart, and say the name of the person. Say the name of the person. I forgive you, and I release the anger and the pain, and I let you free. Say the name of the person. I forgive myself, and I freed myself, and I was hurt. I am forgiven. I am free. Thank you. And now, visualize the forgiven and the liberated person as he is in a bright white light, thanking you and happily going his way. And then visualize yourself in a white bright light, how it folds your soul, your heart, your whole body. You feel the joy of liberation and express your gratitude through healing. Now, because you know the forgiving way and forgiveness, when you say, I can forgive, you already access the power of forgiveness. Now visualize yourself in the future with this power of forgiveness accessed and at your fingertips, knowing that at any time you can forgive and even forgiven, producing this release of yourself from others and others towards you. Now, because you have access to all these feelings, knowledge, information, how to forgive and release and heal the pain. With love and gratitude, you leave everything behind. Just look ahead with happiness and joy, with small steps as you are walking away, feeling happy, light, grateful. I want you to count till 3, and when we are at 3, you'll come back to me. With love and gratitude, 3, you're happy and release. 2, you feel free and full of joy. And with love and gratitude, you can return here and now. You can practice this hypnosis at any time, but it's advisable to heal the pain and leave the pain behind. To do this hypnosis for 21 days. If you want to clean all the pain and have the liberation. Otherwise, you can do this hypnosis at any time you feel pain and you want to forgive someone. Thank you for taking the time and being with me here. Till my next posting, don't forget, I love you with my heart and I hug you with my soul. Bye.